Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 2264 named largest three same digit number in string. In this problem, you are given a string num representing a large integer. Now, integer is good if it meets the following conditions. The first condition is it's a substring of num with length 3 and it consists of only one unique digits. Now we have to return the maximum good integer as a string or an empty string if no such integer exists. Note that a substring is a contiguous sequence of character within a string and there may be leading zeros in the num or in the good integer. Now suppose in the first example, the num string is 6777 1 3 3 3 3 and 9. Now there are two distinct good integers, which is 777 and 333. So where 777 is the largest, so we have to return 777. Now in the second example, the string is 2300019. So here 000 is the only good integer, so we have to return 000. Now in the third example, the string is 42352338. Now here, no substring of length 3 consists of only one unique digits. Therefore, there are no good integers. In this case, we have to return an empty string. Now the constraint are, the string length can be in between 3 to 1000 and each of the character consists of only digits. I hope you understood the constraint as well as the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the algorithm, we have taken the first example. Here, the string is 6777 1 3333 and 9. Now here, we can see that there are two possible good string, which is one is this 777 and another is this, which is 3 3 and 3. So in this problem, 777 is the largest, so we have to return 777. Now the problem is, how can we extract the good string from a given input string? So instead, comparing each of the substring of the given string, let us try to understand and find a pattern. Now suppose there are only 10 possible good string we can get, which is 999, 888, 777, and ... 111 and 000. So there are only 10 possible substring we can get. So now our problem is we have to find this possible substring into the given string. So how can we find it? We can simply find using the substring method of any programming language. Now the algorithm is very simple. Initially, we have to declare these 10 possible substring into a vector of string. Now we have to find whether this substring is presented in string or not. So as it is not presented here, now again we have to find this substring 888 is presented in the string or not. Again, it is not presented here. Similarly, we have to determine whether this substring is presented in this string or not. Yes, it is presented. So we have to return simply the 777. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named largest good integer, which has a string as a parameter. Now, we are taking the 10 pattern and store them in a vector VC. Now, we are iterating each of the pattern, and currently we are checking whether any of the string has the corresponding pattern or not. If it is, that means we have to return those substring. Otherwise, we have to simply return the empty string. I hope you understood the code. Now let's move on to the time and space complexity analysis of this program. In this program, the time complexity is big O of n because we have to extract each of the substring of the given string, and the space complexity is big O of 1 because we are using only constant extra memories to solve this problem. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.